Hey guys, okay, so basically I tried and tried and tried and tried so much to upload the Bonfire Night video, but YouTube didn't like it. It just hated that video. I don't know why. So basically what I've done is I've re-edited it. That was a mouth. Re-edited it. Bleh. So instead of like the pictures and videos combined into two, so into one video, I've got pictures in one video and videos in the other video. This is the video one, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope this uploads. If not, I'm probably gonna like ring up YouTube and be like, yo, fuckers, let me upload my fucking video. Yeah, so basically I'm a bit pissed off. But yeah, here is the videos. Yeah.
It's my vagina. Like it. Back into the club.
Right now, please, keep going down.
I'm still recording.
Come on,
I let go and I thought I was going to die.
Getting on. go-go's.
Just licked your camera.
Come on, leave him there, just let the
No. On what? There's a car, that's why I'm
Going that way, just go
on the other side of the road. I'm fine. I'm not good. Okay, there's a police car coming. No, it's fine. Yeah.
Get on the bus. Oh my god.
I'm so rebel.
What the fuck is that? Okay, yeah, we do.
I wanna live a life from a new perspective. You come along because I love your face, and I'll admire your expensive taste. And who cares, divine intervention? I wanna be praised from a new perspective. But leaving now would be a good idea. So catch me up, I'm getting out of here. It's not fair, just let me perfect it.
Hope you like that, guys. It was a really fun night out. Yeah, it was really quite fun. I know it was like a long time ago now, and I'm uploading Bonfire Night and it's just gone Christmas. Maybe at Easter you'll get Christmas. Maybe. So yeah, basically that's the video. Next up will be pictures. Oh yeah. Okay, thanks guys, bye.